Hi everybody, I am in Endicott, New York. What I've got behind me is what's left of the Kmart that was here. I don't remember how long ago it closed. I'm gonna have to look that up, but let's check it out. So here's what used to be the entrance to this Kmart. Not sure if this was ever a big K or not. I don't remember. It's been many years since I've been here, but there's where the sign would have gone up. And then over here, I believe, would have been the garden center. Even from here, you can see how wavy and uneven this parking lot is. Just looking at it from here, you can see how much the parking lot has sank from the sidewalk. Just like the City View Center Walmart. If you've seen my videos there, it sank just as much, maybe even a little bit more than this. But unfortunately here they have this chain link fence up, so I can't even get up on the sidewalk here. But I'll get as close as I can to show you. Yeah, they even have all the doors and windows covered up with this black netting. So I can't even really see in any of the windows at all. Looks like they even put wood in front of it, like they're going to completely wall it off. I like how it has that old school weight pad on there that would detect your weight to open up the door or hold it open or something. I remember stepping on those and playing with those as a kid. Keep on making the doors open. And looking up here, you can see all these label scars. I'm pretty sure those would have been for like the Kenmore, Die Hard, Whirlpool signs, possibly. I didn't see a Little Caesars label scar anywhere, so I'm not sure if this one had a K Cafe in it. But I do like this awning. Still a nice red, a little bit faded, but it is starting to show its signs of decay. Yeah, these would have been some great windows to get a look inside. But unfortunately, with all this chain link fence up, I can't even get close. And this netting is even bolted into the columns there. So I don't know what the idea of that was. It's probably just to deter people from vandalizing it and throwing rocks at it. That's probably what it is, to keep people from throwing rocks and breaking windows. Because I don't know how good of an area this actually is anymore. But there's a look over the fence. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but I can see the theft detection right by the exit doors. There is the red stripe in there, which was typical of the Kmart. I don't see anywhere where it used to say hello or Kmart anywhere on it. But there is the store hours still posted here. I'll zoom in and see if you can see that on camera. It's got the pharmacy and store hours. But I can't see if it says Kmart anywhere on it in a corner or something. It does have the Western Union sign and all credit cards that would be accepted here. There's another label scar there. That was probably the one for Western Union. It's been 16 plus years since I've been out this way, so I honestly can't remember what signs were where. Here's another shot of the building from the front. Anybody from the area, let me know. There was a plaza, I was pretty sure, over here. I really thought that there was something after this Kmart, but this is also all fenced off. I'm really sure there were other stores here at one time. Like there was a shoe store here. There was a oh, I can't remember all that was here. But across the street here, I'm not sure what this store is now, but I'm pretty sure that used to be a store called Philadelphia Sales. But if there was a plaza here, it's long gone. I'm sure there's a place called Endwell Shoes, maybe even a pet store. But it is no more. One last look at the Endicott Kmart as it stands right now. And whatever plaza used to be there. R.I.P. Kmart, Endicott, New York. Well, everybody, that was my look around what used to be the Kmart here in Endicott, New York, and possibly whatever plaza was back there at one point in time. Sad to see this place getting so depressed. It's changed so much in 16 years, but what do you expect? You disappear for a little while from a place you grew up. Can't expect things to be the same way when you come back. If you enjoyed the video, though, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to ring that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, because I never know where I'm going to be next. It'll be a surprise to us both. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep it real, and I will see you in the next video.